Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the phone app and jumping straight into voicemail. Don't waste time. Tap the voicemail tab or press and hold 1 to trigger the carrier setup prompt. If your Vivo shows visual voicemail, follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, the carrier IVR will guide you. Make sure you have your voicemail PIN or are prepared to create one. This is required for security. Once done, you'll move to personalize your greeting and settings so the mailbox behaves the way you want. Next, focus on the middle steps where personalization happens. You'll be prompted to create or change a voicemail PIN. Choose 4 to 6 digits you'll remember. Then select Custom Greeting to record. Speak clearly, press Save, and play it back to confirm. If your Vivo supports visual voicemail, enable it and grant microphone/storage permissions so messages appear visually. Also check notification settings so you get alerts. These choices determine how quickly you find new messages once callers leave them. Finish by testing and confirming everything works. Call your number from a different phone, leave a message, and then retrieve it using the phone app or by dialing your voicemail number. Make sure playback, timestamps, and transcriptions, if enabled, look correct. If you hit problems, reboot the phone first and make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on for visual voicemail. If issues persist, contact your carrier to verify provisioning or ask to reset your voicemail PIN. That usually resolves access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.